Today, I'm just going to say, how you doing? We're going to talk about the ending of a song. So many times, you're used to doing the ending right there when it's, I can sing the ending right here. You're used to coming right on the downbeat. I can sing the ending right here. Now, a little secret is back phrasing it, just retarding, even though the time is going. I'm going to do it for you. I can sing the ending right here. So I slowed down, even though meter, time is going right here. Because there's nothing after that. You've got this empty space. And it's the same as the phrases that you have. You can back phrase. You can come a little bit later and put some ease to it, because if you have a space where the music is going on and you're not singing, why not? Okay? It's a slight little tidbit, but guess what? You can put it in all of your songs in different areas. Remember at the ending, if you want to have enough breath in order to do some little little phrase at the end, right here, or I suppose right here. You might take a breath and then say something else to your audience, huh? Okay, I hope you have a wonderful day, cause it is, subscribe, and ring-a-ding-ding the bell. It's what you make it today. It's such a day, such a mighty fine day. Woo! Bye. Just wanted to add to the video, when you're in a song, you can use your back phrasing. An example is, the long and winding road that leads. Notice I came back with leads, but I back phrased the long and winding. I didn't come there. The long and winding road that leads to your door. And I came in a little early there on door. Will never disappear. Okay, so on and so on. In the song, you don't always come right down on the beat, even though the original artist may have done that. So that's an example in the song that you can use in phrasing. You don't come in, you come in a little bit later, but you can't continue to do that. You have to come in then on another beat that would have been there to lock back in on the timing. Okay, just adding in. See ya.